Welcome to another session of my project presentation. I'll be presenting Heureux Properties. This is the one I'm presenting. Currently the one that I've published on Play Store. It is canary built, meaning it is not yet ready for production. This is the canary version. I made it using Flutter. I'll send you the link in the description document that I'll provide. So that's how the canary version looks. So as you can see, it looks so small. I made it using Flutter. Those are the screenshots. So the current project that I'm presenting, I made it using native Android. The reason why I always prefer native, it's because of full device control. So I'm presenting two apps, the admin app and the user app. Currently they are both running. So currently I'm at the admin app. I'll sign in for both. I'll be quick. So the app is a bit slow because I'm running it inside the Android emulator. As you can observe at our task manager, system monitor, for Linux it's called system monitor, you can see we are at peak levels. So this is currently the admin app. So that's how it looks like. This is the project I'm currently about to publish. Currently it is on the testing phase. So while the admin app is loading properties, I can head over to the user app. So inside the user app, I'll log in. I'll use my same email. Password, I'll enter the password. Then I'll sign in. So it's telling me the supplied credential is incorrect, malformed or expired. Okay, as you can see, we have an error. The supplied credential is incorrect, malformed or has expired. So the problem is my email. It should end with a L at gmail.com. Then I'll sign in. So I've signed in successfully. So the user app contains a list of properties. As we saw earlier, in the admin app, if the property was sold, it was marked with the tag sold. But in the user app, the user does not see sold properties. So at the home screen, you have homepage, bookmarks. The application is currently slow because we are running inside the Android emulator device. As you can see, the performance is at peak levels. So we are at bookmarks. We have my listings. So listing screen shows a list of properties the user owns and is selling it with partnership with Heureux Properties. We also have the more page. So this is the more page and this is the home page. So at first I'll start with the profile section. When you click that circular image, you're navigated to the profile screen. You can edit your profile. You can change your profile picture. So I'll click edit profile. At first it loads your current data. It fills it in the fields so that it saves you time to edit your data. So you can select image and edit your details. The only thing that you can't edit, it is your email address. The email address is not editable because I'm using it in the database as the primary key. So when you click the top bar, the word Heureux Properties, you are navigated to the about screen. Clicking these sections below will navigate you to the respective descriptions. For example, email. When you click, it opens email. When you click website, it opens website, and so on. Also location, it opens Google Maps with the location field searched automatically. So we are at the home screen. We have an option menu button whereby you have contact us and feedback. So I've clicked contact us. You get all the contacts in the app, and an option send feedback. So I'll go back again. So at the home screen, at the option menu, already I've checked feedback, so I'll proceed to the home page. At the home page, we have a list item. This list item has an image, header text, overline text, headline text, then supporting text. This is a list item inside the home screen list item composable. So we have a bookmark button, we have a details button, and also have an inquiry button. When you click this symbol, it will open the current image that you're seeing on the screen. So it will, at first, when you click it, you create an intent field with the image URI. Then we ask the operating system, I have this image, open it in your default image viewer app. Then the image is opened. So this way, this screen is not inside the app, but using an intent, it creates a better user experience, whereby the user, I'm making the user to think that the screen belongs to the app, yet the screen that is opening the image belongs to Android OS. So when you click details, you get to view details of a property. So those are the images of a property. So you can scroll down. Scrolling down, you get a full description, price, and the name of the property. Then the we have the description. So then we have the image. Clicking on the same icon, the image is opened inside an app that belongs to Android OS. As I said earlier, this is to improve user experience. So I'll head back. When I click inquire, you get to make an offer. You can make an offer. Let me say, so the price of the property is 42 million. Let me say I have 36 million. Then I'm making full payments. You can adjust your payment method. So I'm making full payments. For contact, I'm using the phone number that is saved inside the user profile. And I'm also displaying it when the user is making an inquiry, so that in case the user has changed his or her phone number or will wish to get contacted using a different number, the user can update the current phone number. Then after updating your phone number, you get to submit the inquiry. So the inquiry has been submitted. I'll show it to you inside the admin app. So we have bookmarks. Currently I have no bookmarks, so I'll go back to home screen and bookmark this property. When I head back to bookmarks, there's the property that I have added in my bookmarks. So I'll remove it for now. Then I'll go to my listings. These are the properties that I am selling in partnership with Heureux Properties. So if I want to add a listing, I'll click the plus icon, then provide details from my property, the price. I'll also upload images from my property. Currently the emulator does not have images, so I'll go back. So selecting upload images, it will add images to your sell with us screen, to the sell with us screen. Then after filling in all the details, you get to submit. Currently I want to do this for now. I'll head over back. I'll click more. Clicking more, we have profile, notifications. Already I've checked the profiles, so I'll head back. We have sell with us, already I've checked it, so I'll head over back. Then we have my inquiries. So this is the inquiry that I've made it is 1 p.m. This is the inquiry that I've made. I've made it on 24th January 2024. So I'll head over back. Then payment history contains all my payments that I've made. This payment is updated in the admin app. I'll head over back. About us, already I've checked it. Privacy policy, it will open an intent. Let me click it. It will open an intent that shows the privacy policies the privacy policies that govern Heureux Properties under this user app. So currently it says could not find any Google accounts, comma, existing application. So this means I haven't signed in my Gmail account inside this Android emulator. So when you click contact us, already I've checked that it navigates us to the screen containing all the contacts. When you click rate us, it will open Play Store, whereby you get to rate this app. Meanwhile, I won't click it because the app is not yet published. The other one that I have already shown earlier on Play Store, it is in Canary version. They both have different package IDs. Like for example, the user app has a different package ID. Let me head into Android. As you can see, it is com.heureux.properties. This is the new ID that I added to the app. The other one, I think it was com.sam.thecode.heureux. But this is the new package ID, so as to enhance Google search. We head over to theme. When you click theme, you get to choose. Currently, by default, this app comes in by default with the system theme setting. You can change the theme to, currently it is in light theme. The system theme is in light theme. When I click into light theme, nothing happens. So I'll go back to more. And when I click the theme again into dark theme, we get our app changed into dark theme. So I'll click home so that you can see how it looks like. So this is how the app looks like in dark theme. I'll return to system default. Then dynamic theme, this is the new Android feature. So when I was saying the advantage of using native is because you get to control your application by using device resources at full potential. This is a great advantage over Flutter because Flutter may limit you at some point on accessing device features. So dynamic theme is a new Android feature that allows your application to theme according to your currently set wallpaper. So I'll activate it. So I've activated it. My theme changes dynamically. So I'll click home. As you can see, my wallpaper, the launcher has bluish colors, so that one is changed into primary color. So returning to Heureux Properties, I'll head over to more. I can also disable dynamic theme. So I've returned. This current theme is meant to match with the current branding of the company, but when the user wishes to change the theming of the app as per his or her preference, you can use dynamic theme. This feature is only available for Android 12 plus. So heading over to home screen, I'm going to the admin app. You have a shortcut here for admin app. So the dark screen that you have seen, it is called a configuration change. This means our admin app was destroyed by the Android operating system so that the device resources could be used by other applications and other services running by the system. So that dark screen, we are able to see it when we are using the Android emulator. You cannot see it in a real device because real device is more faster, and in my case I'm able to see that dark screen in brackets configuration change because the Android emulator is slow. So this is the admin app. It also have an option whereby you can edit your profile. You can view the administration. So currently we are two admins, the company itself and me myself. So I haven't set my phone number. I'll head over back. I can edit. I'll click edit profile. We load my current data, then we display it. I'll remove the text null. The reason you are seeing the text null is because I used a .toString call to convert the null value into a string so as to avoid my app from crashing. So I'll add symbol numbers 1 2 3 4 5 up to 0. Then I'll save. After saving, I'll head over back to, you are getting an internal error, user credential is not valid. So this purpose is security feature. In case, so as you saw earlier, I changed my password, and when you change the password, let me show you. I changed my password, and in case someone else has the admin app, he or she knows the password to your account, you can head over to forgot password. You log out, then you click forgot password, you change your password, then you log in again with the new password. The reason is because I care about security. So my email is okay. Password 123456. I think that one is okay. Then I'll sign in. So I've signed in successfully. So in case you have forgotten your password, in case you have changed your password and you are an admin, when someone else had logged in into your account, the app will automatically sign out that user, so that only you with the current updated password can access the admin app. So I'll proceed. So this is the admin app. Let me do an experiment. So let's say I want to edit. Let me edit this property. I'll edit it. I'll remove the word estate, the last word. Yeah, I'll remove this last word, estate, like that. Then I'll save it. I'll update it. So the property is updated. It should reflect in the user app. So I'll click home, then go to the user app. That is a configuration change. Sorry. I'll click back. I'll go home. As you can see, the word estate has disappeared. So that's the purpose of the admin app. I was illustrating its logic, functionality. That's a configuration change. Every time you see a configuration change, it is only visible in the emulator. Every time you see it, it shows there is a change in Android resources, whereby your app is reallocated the resources. So it was estate. It must be in capital estate. So I'll update this. So the property has been updated, estate. Then, as I was showing you the administration list, I was to edit my phone number. Yeah, it already updated automatically. So I'll proceed. So we are at the home screen. If a property is sold, it has a tag, sold. If it is not sold, it does not have a tag. So I'll head over directly to details. As you can see, the details screen is similar to that of the user app. I did this so as to reuse my code. Let's say I want to delete. Let me try out this one, but I'm not deleting it. By mistake, let's say you have clicked the delete button. At first, you have to see the warning dialog first, so as to notify you, because sometimes the user does not intend to click delete. By bad luck, let's say the user has tapped this, the delete button, and the app disappears. It will be a bad user experience. So I use the dialog box for the user to confirm first before we continue deleting the property. So if the user has clicked the delete icon by mistake, can head over to cancel, or you can click outside the dialog box. The edit screen, you have already checked it. So I'll head over to users. So these are the current users in our app. We have options. We can call, chat, send message. We can also view the profile image. We can also update payments. So these are the current payments for the user that you saw in the user app in my account. So this is my account, my name, email. These are my payments made. So since I'm an admin, whenever I update a payment, we have approved by. So this is my name. I've approved the payment. If someone else approved it, so this is Heureux Properties, someone else approved it. If the user has not set if the user has not set the email, anyway, my bad. I was saying that if the admin has not set up the phone number and other profile setup, automatically the admin app uses the user email by default, so as to capture the details of the one who is approving a payment made by the user. So we head over to inquiries. So earlier in the user app, I did a property inquiry. So let's check for it. We have it. So the inquiry was made on 24th at 1 p.m. It is a 4-bedroom house. That's the name of the property. The name of the client, Samuel Wakoli. The price of the property, initial price is 42 million. The offer that the users made, 36 million. The preferred payment method, full amount. So we can approve once you have communicated with the user and come into agreement that we are agreeing on 36,000, or we can achieve it. So the inquiry is inside archives. So this is a property inquiry. So I'll go to achieved property inquiry. I can see it here. So I can delete it when I want to. I can also approve it when I want to. So I'll head over back. I'll skip this other sell with us request and achieved sell with us request because they are similar. Both of them, they are inquiries. I'll head over to more. At more, we don't have much. So when you click payment history, this is the admin app. It contains history of properties. It contains list of all payments done, approved by admins for all the users. So the list is sorted by time, date and time. So we first see the latest payment as we move downwards to the older payments. So I'll navigate back. It also shares similar features with the user app. So at this section, I reused my code. Yeah, up to that point, that's the presentation of Heureux Properties, the admin app and the user app. Thank you for watching.